Morning people. So today we will be hiking to Chumpune and I'm all set to go. That's my backpack, my lunch box, my walking stick, and that's my water bottle. Ready to roll. It's still dark here in Paro, so I'm going to pick up my friends and we are told that we have to hike for 4 hours one way. So let's go. So as you all know, today I'm hiking to Chumpune, which is an hour drive from here and then 4 hours hike. So I'm going to pick up my friends in a while and then we are going to drive up towards the base. Quite excited as it's first time for all of us. So hopefully we can find our way there. So I've reached here to pick up my friends. Hey guys, are you guys ready?
Oh yeah, man.
Let's do it, man.
Let's do it.
Are you ready, Panjo?
Yes. There are these fishes outside.
Snowing.
Boss at the back. Tá, Sachi, cadê tá 먹어? Ah, não, 같이 주스 내 님이나.
Chumpune.
Magnificent. Right to Pao Town. This road is finished.
Yeah, we are here at the starting point. So we're going to start hiking from here. Beautiful oak tree. Our today's tour guide, Mr. Latro. Yeah, Latro. Sushi tamen tari. Nale gantakam jogo.
nale bewachin lam jusumigi bewachin ganda ni jab chaka decila te lam jumasumigi bewachin ganda jie goi te ngaya goi tete
Okay, let's do it, guys.
거 공부 여기랑 얘랑 그디 치에서 제 한국이 처음에 상 달래파들을 아까 되게 든집에 안에 베니기 나는 야야 주니기 돼 가라 기버 폴 담배 추다 지위 약합들로
First stop at Lagasavu. We still need to drive a few more minutes and then we'll start hiking.
됐다고 한번 타봐서 산들이 보면 뒤에 넣었을 때 물에 씻는 거를 보이시거든요. 아니 무슨 게 깨지는 줄 알았잖아.
Guru Doji Dologi Shapter. Casino. This is the key to the golden doorways to Chumbu, you know.
충분해.
Benjo. Everything all right? Are you sure?
Did you forget the Chinese? I left my stuff down there.
야, 저것도 더 남았어야 돼요.
Chinese monkey cane stick.
야, 같이 왔으면. The river is so clear, crystal clear. And the hike actually is along the river and it's not so bad. So it's quite easy, I would say. Guru Uja. So this is the head of Guru Rinpoche. Guru Rinpoche's head. So we have to make a right round. Always to the left and make a right round clockwise. Oh, I have to go through this.
He just vanished, or maybe he went somewhere celebrating today. Not exactly vanished also.
What's that, bro?
Blue pine.
Oh, small little pine cone. Okay, doggy, let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. I hope that we are halfway. More than 1 hour, man. It's almost 2 hours now. Miniature stupas inside this huge, very old stone cave. Nature is awesome. Good morning, sunshine. First sun ray of the day. Yo! The sun is out, there's some snowflakes, and I'm enjoying the hike. So nice, beautiful day. I have my good old friends and beautiful nature. We have a very specialized Buddhism tour guide. What else I need? It's a nice day. We are expecting full of snow on the way back. Let's see how it goes. Lamoche Rangjen. So that means it's an elephant appeared by itself here. Pretty similar. Repairing a holy water on the way. So the belief is we need to drink 9 cups of this holy water. To purify yourself and to wash away all your sins. Okay, come on, man. Oh, man.
No, I cannot drink.
We need to wait for, okay, 9 times. Here you go. 1, 8, 9. Yeah. Benjo just had 9 shots of holy water. You can see some paintings of Guru Rinpoche and Lord Buddha. I'm not even sure how people got there.
So opposite. He's very big.
It's quite huge, huh? All these footprints are massive. Be careful, man. Be careful.
Yeah.
16th century.
16. Exactly.
So our old man is having some tough time here. He's only 52 years old. Everything fine?
But don't walk more than 3 hours.
아니 유저히 봤어 맞잖아. 나 유저 사오지 맞잖아. 겨봐. 겨봐도 수가라모. 거기서. Well,
You're almost Not even halfway, I think. आज चिकन खानु हुँदैन हो दाइ हाम्रो यहाँ लोटे गाईले कस्तो धर्महरू बोलिराखेछ That is the old bridge, all run down, and this is the new bridge. Tea time.
Cheers.
You should be chin, not Kanduma chin. This is the third eye, the wisdom eye. Bagas was.
Genital te magi. Yeah, baga. Shadi.
Monks going back to the monastery. Nice little walk through a huge stone and a tree. Nature is awesome. Wow. So nice. Beautiful. In the summertime, I think this river is going to be much more bigger. I don't think so it will be so clear like now, because there will be some landslides and erosions. Wow. Ja, milam ležíme tam. So I'm entering through the third door. Wow, nature is so awesome. I mean, I don't have no internet today, no calls. It's such a nice day. And we have this beautiful gentleman, Mr. Leto. He's so much into Buddhism and feels so spiritual today. He got each and every story, the detailed story about this place. And he's actually back from, he was up in the temple praying for last 5 months, and he just came back to his village, and we didn't know that he's joining us. So I'm so happy that he joined us, because feeling blessed to be hearing all the stories from him. There he go again. A body imprint of an evil spirit subdued by Guru Rinpoche. Wow, there's a cave out there.
Exclusively from Chumpune.
It's a huge stone cave. Snowflakes, if you can see.
That used to be the bedroom of the Gamunis here.
Wow. This is so jaw-dropping, man. My jaw is literally dropping. Oh, that's our destination. Chumbu. So this is the toughest part. Until here it was quite okay. Almost there. It's snowing. The snowflakes are getting bigger and bigger. I really hope that when we go back we get to see the white blanket of snows all over this beautiful mountain. Quite impressive. Do you know something about this?
This is the one from the ancient times.
Are you even sure?
It's more than 3,500 years ago now.
Whatever it is, it's quite impressive. You can see all the prayer flags. These are hoisted to bring good luck. And that is the final destination, Chumbu Monastery. The treasures of red and white rice. Trying to be responsible citizen, even though we are free of virus, but just don't want to scare the mouse. But yeah, because we're coming from the town. Director, I think he's exhausted. This is the imprint of Doji form, and the Sanskrit term is Vajra Varahi. Actually means a peak, and this structure actually resembles a pig's head. So as you can see, this is the nose, the eyes, and the ears. Snowfall. First snowfall of 2021. Wow. So blessed. So blessed to be hiking here today. As you can see, it's so beautiful with the snow. And people say that it's a sign of blessing. Oh, this is so beautiful. I can feel the elevation. I'm not sure how much. Pretty high. So this is the entrance. We have just entered Chumbu Temple. Lunchtime and a hot cup of tea. It's offered by the monks. So kind of pretty cool outside. Time to feed the dog. My brothers from different mothers are being so kind. Time for lunch. Lunchtime. No, that's our stupid. Yo, finally we are back to the car park. It was such an amazing, wonderful hike. So, Namge, how was the hike? Thumbs up.
Best hike ever.
How was the hike?
He has no comments.
Hike is stopwatch. We have walked 7 hours, 15 minutes, 57 seconds.
Wow, so accurate.
All together. And we did not include the
The lunchtime,
No, we did not include the lunchtime, nothing, just the walk.
Oh,
We did the walk.
we didn't know that you would be so precise. So anyway, it was a great day, great hike, great weather, great company, great food. Everything was great.
Yes,
Yeah,
had a good time.
very good time. A memory to last forever.
Very good memory.
Yeah. One more hour and we are home.